Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Here I'm going to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in a daily time frame. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures tested a high on January 13 at the levels of $4.369, but since then we have seen a selling pressure in natural gas futures. Undoubtedly, natural gas futures found a good support at 9 days moving average on 14th January, but since then an upward move was seen, but after facing stiff resistance at the levels of $4.317 on January 17th, natural gas futures found a gap down opening on January 21st after the inauguration of President Trump. Undoubtedly, after his inaugural, Trump has declared national energy emergency, where the natural gas futures found a good upward move on January 23rd. But here you can see that how the natural gas futures found stiff resistance here at the levels of $4.058, and from here a downward move continued to push the natural gas futures during the third week of January, where the natural gas futures tested a low at the levels of $2.988 on January 31st. So here I find that this move could be repeated here in February. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures found stiff resistance on February 7th at the levels of $3.434, from where a sharp decline was seen here, and the natural gas futures finally closed the last Friday at the levels of $3.309. So here I find that the February could repeat this once again, as here you can see that how the natural gas futures are trading well below the 50 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $3.477. So here I find that if the natural gas futures are not able to defend the immediate support at 100 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $3.248, we could see this exhaustion to continue, where the second support can be seen at the levels of $3.164. So here I find that if the natural gas futures could not sustain above this level, this exhaustion in natural gas prices could continue up to February 14th, where I find that the natural gas futures could retest the levels of $2.677 up to February 14th. So this slide could be steeper if the natural gas futures are not able to hold the significant support at 200 days moving average during the upcoming weeks. We could see the natural gas futures could retest the levels of $2.675 by the mid of this month. So friends, be ready to see an action, because here you can see that how the natural gas futures have finally closed last Friday well below the 9 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $3.308. So here I find that if the natural gas futures start the upcoming week below the 100 days moving average, we could see this slide to continue, where the natural gas futures could find a big down well below the next support at the 200 days moving average during the next week. So friends, be ready to see this action in natural gas futures. And on the reverse side, any upward move by natural gas futures well above the 50 days moving average will provide a good opportunity to go short with a stop loss at the 20 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $3.624. So here I find that natural gas futures could see an advent of selling spree during the next week. So here I find that the natural gas futures could retest the levels of $2.675 once again. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.